Hello guys, welcome to HND Creations. Today in this video, we are going to know about the mysterious Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircrafts and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. It covers about 500,000 square miles of ocean off the southeastern tip of Florida. It is bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. When Christopher Columbus sailed through the area on his first voyage to the New World, he reported that a great flame of fire, probably a meteor, crashed into the sea one night and that a strange light appeared in the distance a few weeks later. He also wrote about erratic compass readings. An especially infamous tragedy occurred in March 1918 when the USS Cyclops, a 542-foot-long Navy cargo ship with over 300 men and 10,000 tons of manganese ore on board, sank somewhere. The Cyclops never sent out an SOS distress call despite being equipped to do so, and an extensive search found no wreckage. Only God and the sea know what happened to the great ship. The US President Woodrow Wilson later said in 1941 two of the Cyclops' sister ships similarly vanished without a trace along nearly the same route. Again in December 1945, 5 Navy bombers carrying 14 men took off from a Fort Lauderdale, Florida airfield in order to conduct practice bombing runs over some nearby shoals. All 5 planes flew aimlessly until they ran low on fuel and were forced to ditch at sea. After a massive weeks-long search failed to turn up any evidence, the official Navy report declared that it was as if they had flown to Mars. The scientists tried to solve the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, but they didn't find a single evidence. This comes to the end of today's learning. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos and information. Thank you.